Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on who you are. This is a tutorial showing you how to make line artwork using text and the path created with Illustrator to make text flow around the image. Start by importing your file. I've chosen to use a picture of an ear, and then I've created a canvas which is 7,000 pixels by 7,000 pixels. I couldn't find this in my presets, so instead I decided to go close it and create new, not from template, but from the dialog box on the side. Once you've done this, you open the file, which was the ear in my case, and import the image. Then press Shift, Control, or Command Option to scale the image into place. Once this is scaled into place, you then lock the layer and create a new layer. In this new layer, you press P to bring up the pen tool and use the anchor points to trace around the image. It's quite an easy process to do. Make sure you change the fill and stroke to none, or keep the stroke to whatever colour you like, just to create the path. And yeah, and what else can you do? Make sure that you can see the path that you're working on. Once you've traced this, go to the text tool within the path. Once you trace this, go to the text tool within the path and click text path and then type whatever you want. What I tend to do is start on the very first corner of the line and then duplicate this. If the font isn't the right size, you can adjust it by going to the font menu and going to options or other and typing in the pixels that you want, or changing the font. Start from the corner of the path. If you start from the corner of the path, you make a more fluid and interesting look. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Alright, have a good day. Alright, bye. Please like, comment and subscribe, because it really helps to grow this channel, and I'm trying to teach as many people as possible how to use digital tools to future equip student and professional to the future ahead with AI taking over. We want more authenticity in this world, and to make stuff that is more authentic is valuable as it creates a humanistic aspect.